Spidermom's bun is a very popular, well-known LHC style, and it has a lot of similarities to a lazy wrap or a disc bun, but it's just created slightly differently. So we're going to twist, wrap around, 2 fingers, wrap around, 2 fingers again, and then wrap around the base. Then take those 2 loops from your fingers, spread them over the top, and put a hair stick through. Alright, not the tidiest one ever, but it's hard for me to get my thick hair around my 2 fingers like that. But yeah, definitely reminds me a lot of a disc bun, especially a twisted disc bun.